This is milestone 3, concept reduction and concept selection, and this is team 2, section 11. So we first made a chart and we listed all the 8 solutions that we had and plotted them against viability, feasibility, and desirability. So viability basically means if it'll work, if the solution will really work. Feasibility, according to us, means is it doable? Can we really produce that solution, or is it just a concept? Desirability means if the aliens will really like it and they'll use it. So then we plotted a pro and con list. We just brainstormed it, and according to team consensus, we talked about why this is really useful, why this is not really useful, the pros and cons. So in the pros and cons, we said we listed this term long term and short term. That basically means like exercise. We said it's a long-term solution, which means that it's a solution that's gonna go on for a long time and really affect the aliens in a good way. But something like pharmaceuticals is something that's short-term, because as long as they keep using those pharmaceuticals, they're gonna stay constant. Like their concentration is gonna stay. But then when they stop using it, it's gonna go away. And then all throughout the solutions, we talked a little about unknown physical dimensions. That basically means that although we know what the aliens like their size is, we know they have one hand, they have 2 heads, we do know that, and we know their sizes, but we don't really know what it's like. It's just an outline that we can sketch out, but we can't really tell if the belt we make is going to fit them, if the shoes we make is going to fit them. So we really need an outline of how they really are. Like a picture would really help, but that's not possible as stated in the interviews. So then we went through this pros and con list, and we decided that we wanted to eliminate a few solutions, and those were these 4 solutions: electromagnetic hypersensitivity shielding, velcro pants, communication barrier, and pharmaceuticals. So, and then we made out a weighted decision matrix. In the weighted decision matrix, we listed 4 criteria. That was expense, which basically has a metric which is cost. We defined it by cost. If it's very expensive, it's not doable. We said $25 or less per alien would be a good unit for it. So then we went on to convenience. The metrics for it are comfort and time of gratification. Comfort is if it's comfortable. Time of gratification is how long does the solution take to work. So for that, we said, for comfort, we said if 70% of aliens think it's comfortable, then it's good enough. For time of gratification, we said if it takes 10 minutes to put on or to use, then it's good. So for manufacturing, we said it should be mass producible, because 70 aliens are coming and we need to produce this for 70 aliens. Environmental impact, basically, because our restriction is to produce no net environmental impact. Reusability, we say the product should last through 5 life cycles. Improves concentration, that's our main criteria, because this entire project is about improving the concentration of our aliens. That's our problem statement. So if it's effective in improving concentration, then that's what we want. So we said if 70% of aliens approve it, it's useful. So we weighted them in this way. We said improves concentration is the most important criteria, and then convenience, because convenience is important if the aliens would really want to use it. Expense and manufacturing come at the end with 5-5, and then we just graded all the solutions that way, and then we came up with points for each. And then from this we decided that belt seemed like the most important, most useful one. And then we did this because at the points we didn't really have a tie between anything. Belts seemed to be the most convenient one. So